Hello fan collectors, this is Jimmy, aka Fanix90, and here's a video of my Dayton Lasko. What for all you've been waiting for. First we're going to try on is first speed, which will be starting on low. It's a pretty interesting ceiling fan. I got it from a Methodist church where I go to youth at, because I come over there Wednesdays and sing worship, which the other Dayton Lasko is still in the church, and the other one is with me, because that church just had two Dayton Laskos, and now I finally have this one. Alright, medium. Then we'll start on high, because I want to make sure it wobbles a lot, so I'm going to bear with me. I mean, I really got to straighten out the blades, because see how bad it is right now? It's wobbling. But I really have no problem with it. I just got to keep an eye on it. Here's that fast speed. Here's my new tone, and I'm going to shut her off because I want her to fly off or anything like that, because it's but she runs pretty good actually. I just need to fix the fan blades and other stuff, but I believe this fan's got like 2 capacitors, and yes, I'm glad that the string's not cut off anyways. It's got a perfect string, perfect blades. It's got 3 speeds. But first time I seen this kind of fan, I was over at a Camp Courageous. They had 2 of these Dayton Laskos in the gymnasium, the one I just showed you when I went to camp. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, because I think I'm the first one that made a video of the Dayton Lasko. And actually, this fan goes off pretty slow too, just to let you know, because it's still spinning. But I'm gonna, well, hope you guys enjoy the video, and catch you guys later.